I use the backward design model for my unit on integers for adding and subtracting. Um, the learning goals are, what the students will be learning, what they need to learn and take away from this course, this unit. How I know if students are learning what they need to know, and then I will plan learning experiences and instructions for the students. That starts off with basic vocabulary words that they need to know, basic steps and procedures for when you're adding two positives, adding and subtracting two negatives, adding or subtracting a positive and negatives. So there are different rules for how you do it. Um, and the backward design model works really nicely. Um, so we need to identify the desired result. So using backward design education, um, again, it works very nicely for working with integers. I've been teaching it backwards even before I knew that it was called the backward design model after teaching integers to seventh graders for several years. It seems to be the best approach. It helps them learn. You need to make it relevant to the students as to why it is important. The example I give is if when they have a checking account, okay, that there are negatives and positives if they put money into their account. So if they make a deposit, that's a positive. When they purchase something with a debit card, that is a negative to their account. If they go below zero on their account, they're overdrawn, that is a negative. And then if the bank charges them extra money, that is an extra negative. So if you're at negative $15 and the bank charged you another $25, it'd be negative 15 plus negative 25, and now they would be at negative $40. And it would take them $40 to get back to zero. Using the number line also helps, showing the students that when they're adding a negative, they go to the left. When they're adding a positive, they go to the right. So instructors need to spend time identifying the desired results. Okay, we have to know where we're going with student learning, and we need to develop assessments to help meet these goals. Some of the assessments I use are quizzes. It's a very good online platform that students can use, and I can use it instructor paced where I guide them from question to question. It's multiple choice, and they can show what they've learned. Also, IXL is very good. Uh, Most math teachers really like IXL. They attempt a question. If they miss the question, it immediately gives them the correct answer and shows them step by step how to solve the problem. So IXL is very good. And then also I use quizzes and exit tickets to see where they are and what I need to teach them and how far along they are in the understanding of integers. So the backward design model I highly recommend for math and teaching integers. Here are the references I used for this video. Thank you.